And now we're going to put it in the oil. You like to keep it as simple and easy as possible so you don't make mistakes. Every Monday I make dough. And it was really the encouragement of my friends and my family that, you know, I could make a little business out of this. I stripped down the recipes to just basic ingredients. And there's only 4 ingredients in our cookies, and they're all natural. They're things that we all should be eating. My name is Stephanie Farrar, and I am the owner of the Canine Cookie Company. The Canine Cookie Company started as the lady in her kitchen making cookies for her dog. I had some friends asked if they could have them for their dogs, and I said sure, and then it turned into a small business. Eventually, we got big enough that we opened a shop, and that was just about 12 years ago.
Can I get you anything else?
I hire stay-at-home mothers, and that is our workforce. They come and they pick up their dough, and then they go back to their house, and we've given them equipment, and they roll out the dough and cut the cookies, and then they bring it back to us, and we bake it. So that's how our cookies are made, and the dogs love them.
Fresh squirrels!
I'm competing against, you know, huge companies, but I believe so deeply in the natural, the taste, the nutrition in our cookies. We live in the historic district. We've always enjoyed coming downtown and visiting the other businesses, and it's a really good community to be in, to own a business. As merchants, we support each other, and I see that all around the square. We want everybody to succeed down here, because when they do, then we do. The thought that we've made something that benefits these dogs is everything to us. And dogs love to have fun, and people love to have fun, so I think that we can bring it all together.